What's up everybody, this is Brandon at C.A.R.S again. We are doing a full suspension overhaul on this 2004 350z. The customer supplied his own parts with some Z1 traction arms, which are these guys right here. He also supplied us with some camber arms, also from Z1, and some coilovers for the vehicle itself. These are Annex suspension group coilovers. This is the first time I've ever seen these before, but he said that they're pretty new to the platform, so I guess we'll see how they perform after we get these installed. This backside I have installed already, which is the strut here, spring in the perch bucket, trailing arm, and camber arm on the bottom. Moving up front, we're just going to remove the stock suspension, put the front coilovers in, and the customer also supplied us with some adjustable Z1 Motorsports upper control arms. That just about wraps up this coilover install on this 2004 350z. Don't forget to get an alignment once you've got all that stuff put on, because you want it to drive straight, of course. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification.